Would you like to be able to get shares of some of the hottest private companies before they go public? New Equity Consulting is the marketing arm for a network of funds, one of the leading and fastest growing funds in the pre-IPO investing space. Our access has provided investors with shares in companies such as Uber, Facebook, Robinhood, Palantir, Snowflake, and it has not been uncommon for members to double or triple their investment within a year or two. Our network is able to secure the rights to shares from insiders at private companies and subsequently offer them to their member base. By locking in at a lower price point and valuation early on, investors are able to maximize their upside upon the company's IPO. New Equity currently has access to companies like SpaceX, Plaid, Triller, Impossible Foods, and more. Once the company is public, shares are transferred directly to their personal brokerage accounts once the lockup period has expired, and they are free to do what they please with them. For more information, to speak with a representative, visit us at www.newequityconsulting.com.